Hi, I'm Sean Newman, Sonic Ecstasy 02 from the MP3 Car Forum, and today I have in front of me four of the latest 7-inch touchscreen devices out on the market. I've got these four because they're each a little bit different in their own unique ways. I guess they all have some of the same specifications on them in terms of the resolution and the brightness, but I just wanted to put together a quick video to differentiate the differences. So we have the Lilliput 669. This is the high brightness model that's come out late in 2010, I believe. And then we have the MiniTouch 700 7-inch display. Again, that came out late 2010. It's a very, very popular product right now because of the price. Then we have the Element 7-inch, and this one is advertised as a transflective model. So we'll go ahead and light that up, see how it compares with some of these other. And then, last but not least, we have the big mama, the 7-inch Lilliput SAW touchscreen device, and that's got this surface acoustic wave technology built in. So let's go ahead and power these up, see if we can get some compare contrast videos going, and here we go. Okay, first up here we have the Lilliput 669 high brightness model, and then we have the MiniTouch 700 over here on the left. We've got these desktops or these displays mirrored, so we should see the same thing on both screens, and you can kind of see the difference in resolution in terms of how this browser page works. Of course, we've got MP3 car loaded, and if you look over here, if I zoom in a little bit, we've got that display, and the display is nice and bright. You can see it in sunlight. It's not transflective, of course, so I don't want to put that out there, but it's usable in the car, especially in high brightness situations. And that, again, that's a Lilliput 669. If you go over here, this is the MiniTouch 700, and again, the brightness is great on it. It's nice and sharp. I don't know how much of that is coming through on the video, but I mean, both of them are very, very comparable. And these are at the default settings. I haven't adjusted the brightness or contrast or anything, so you probably could get an improvement out of that with just a little bit of work. But yeah, these two devices are pretty comparable. Now, the MiniTouch doesn't have HDMI input, and the 669 does, so there's a big obvious plus for the 669. 669 has a VGA connection composite, and basically any other way you want to hook it up to a computer. The MiniTouch does have a very, very nice cable management system where everything just kind of breaks away there, whereas the Lilliput, you've got to plug everything directly into the back of the unit. Other than that, I mean, the two devices are pretty much even 7-inch displays. The color looks like it's a lot better on the 669, and I'm just guessing that's because of the HDMI versus the VGA. And it could be just the default settings, but I do notice a difference in color quality between the two. But that's pretty much it. There's really not that much separating them, other than the fact that one has the HDMI and the DVI option and one doesn't. So we'll go ahead and move on. Alright, now we've got the 7-inch Element display, and we've got the 7-inch Lilliput surface acoustic wave display, and you can notice right away that both of these devices are brighter. I mean, I think the reason that it's bright on this side is because it's transflective, and it's brighter on this side because of the technology behind the touchscreen. That touchscreen is an absolutely clear, crystal precise touchscreen on this device, and I'll definitely give that a plus compared to the other touchscreens on all of the other devices. I mean, the touchscreen feel and sensitivity on that device is just amazing. Alright, and the last portion of this little video I'm going to put together, it will be the comparison between the Surface Acoustic Wave Lilliput and the Lilliput 669 high brightness. And again, both of these are on HDMI. You can kind of see that the colors are equal themselves out for the Lilliput devices, so yeah, I do think that the default coloring is what the difference is between the Lilliputs and the other models. But anyways, I just wanted to put together a quick video and show you how the surface acoustic technology deflects the light compared to the Lilliput 669. And I'm going to start off with the 669, and I'm just going to reflect that off of a light that I've got here behind the camera. You can see that the lighting effect is very, very blurry on that. It doesn't do a good job of isolating that blurriness. You can see it on a larger portion of the display than you probably want to. You can see it clearly there moving throughout the display. Then on the Surface Acoustic Wave device, you'll see the glare, because it's not transflective, but you'll see that the glare is a little bit more focused. You can see, I don't know if it's the glossiness of the touchscreen or the actual technology that they put into it, but you can see the light a lot, you can see it a lot more acutely, and it doesn't seem to take up as much space on the screen as it did for the 669 device. I'm impressed with the SAW Surface Acoustic Wave Lilliput. It does do a better job out in the daylight than the 669, and like I said, the touchscreen on it is very, very precise. But that's just a quick comparison between the Lilliput devices to try to show you how the Surface Acoustic Wave technology works.